Good morning, children. Welcome to the art class. This is your page number 17 of Graphelco art book. You can see there is a geometrical design given in this corner of the page. You have to see and draw the same design, but it can be little different. Placing of the circles and triangles can be of your choice. Okay, no need to just copy the same thing. It is written, observe the design in the smaller circle and in a similar manner draw 3 circles and 3 triangles of different sizes and 3 wavy lines overlapping each other in the big circle with the help of a compass and ruler. So we are going to use compass and ruler for this. Okay, children, and we are going to make a geometrical design with the help of 3 circles and 3 triangles. Okay, so let's start. First, you take a ruler and you take 4.5 centimeters as radius. Okay, so I will measure. This is 4 centimeter and this small line between 4 and 5 is 4.5 centimeters. So from here till here you can take any distance. I am just giving you approximate distance so that you will be able to draw it easily. Okay, you can take any other radius also. Now first we will draw this bigger circle this side. Now you have to draw one circle like this. Okay, now you will take 3.5 centimeters or you can take approximately little smaller distance and then you will draw another circle from here. Wait 1 minute. I will show you how to draw another circle. Let me rub this first. Okay. Now we will draw another circle. Overlapping this other circle. Okay, you can see these two circles. This one is little bigger, this is little smaller. Now we will take approximately 2 centimeters distance and then we will draw another circle this side. Like this. Now we have drawn 3 circles. Now we have to draw 3 triangles. So you will take a scale and you will draw one triangle this side, like this. Like this. Another line side of the triangle. This. Okay, so we have drawn one triangle. Now we will draw the other triangle this side. All 3 sides we will draw one triangle. Like this. Now we have drawn 2 triangles. Now one more triangle is left. You can draw this side. You have to use ruler and compass. Okay, don't do it freehand, otherwise it will look very bad. Now like this you have finished. Now we will draw 3 wavy lines. For drawing 3 wavy lines you take equal distance. One from here we will draw, then the other one from the center and the third one little distance. You can see the distance between the two dots I have taken. Now we will draw the first wavy line. Like this. Okay, then we will draw another wavy line like this. Now the third one. Like this. So 3 wavy lines we have drawn overlapping each other. Now you will do the coloring. You can decide any, you can take any 4 colors of your choice, because it is written here you have to take any 4 colors. So you can take any 4 colors of your choice, and then you have to color every portion with different colors. Okay children, you have to color all the portions with different colors. You have got the idea from this design. You can see how to color different colors, and you can use any 4 colors of your choice. You can use your own combinations. So practice this design and then complete it on page number 17 of your book. I hope you will be able to draw and color it. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.